Hey everyone, so I've got this really cool sketch and I've got this animation and I want to turn it into a movie. So I want to do a screen capture of it. So the way we do that is we need to use QuickTime, which is a video program on the iMac. So I'm just going to stop this for a second and I'm going to do Command Shift and search for QuickTime Player. Let's see if that comes up. Alright, so up in the top left here I have a QuickTime Player and I want to go to File, New Screen Recording. And so now what I want to be able to do, you can actually record just part of your screen in here, and that's what I want to do. So I need to find exactly where this window is. So I'm going to run my sketch again. And notice I have this little, I only want to capture this little square window of my sketch. So when I click on the record button over here for QuickTime, it gives me a message. It says click to record full screen or drag to record part of the screen. And then end recording by clicking the stop button in the menu bar. So that's up in the top here. So if I click and drag from the top left corner of this window, notice I get this preview to the bottom left corner. It's only going to record in there, and that's all I want. I only want to get my animation. So now I get the start recording button. Click on that. Now it's recording. And I only want to do it for, maybe 10, 20 seconds. It's kind of a repetitive, quick loop here. And then up in the menu bar up here, you hit stop. So now it's showing me a little preview of my video here. So now I can play it. There it is. Okay. So now that it's captured it, notice it's set to untitled. Let me stop this one over here so you don't get confused. And I'm just going to title it. How about, oops. No, I don't want to do a tag. I actually want to title it. Well, so why don't I do this? I'm going to do a file, and I'm going to do save. Now, it's untitled movie. Let's call this Mr. Mansager's Animation. Okay, so just use your name and then put animation. And make sure you know where you're sharing it to. I'm just going to send it to my desktop, which is right there. So make sure you have desktop and save. So that will save your video to your desktop. Here's my video over here. Once you have your video, we're going to upload it into Schoology into a media folder that I set up. So if I go into Schoology, I go to my course, and you may be able to do this, well, you'd have to do this on the computer because that's where we put our video. I was going to say you could do it on your iPad, but you could save it to your Google Drive and then do it from your iPad. And then in Project 2, there is an animate your sketch and record it. Okay, this is the assignment actually. I'm going to go back to the animations. This is right here is the media folder. So what you can do is I put one in here. I actually want to get rid of this one. I don't know if I can do that, but let me do edit media, delete. That was like a test one I did. So now you go to add media, you attach a file, find that, there it is on my desktop, Mr. Mansager's Animation, open, complete, and then you have to make sure you hit add media. It's one more step. All right, and I'm going to add a caption to it. And all I want you to do for your caption is just put in your name so we know whose it is. So then, right now it's going to, let's see if it's in there. There it is. So that's how you add, how you make a movie of your animation and add it to the media folder. Bye.